देखिए, slowly we have to get back to our economic activity. Things have to turn to normal if we want to live the way we want. Corona is not the only worry for life. So slowly things are now coming. PM has also said पर सबसे पहले कि जान है तो जहान है, फिर जान भी है जहान भी है. So now we are in West. There has been no case till date. So it's a by and large in green zone. The retail will come. So normal activity should pick up. Shops will be open. The instruction is कि market complex से shopping mall छोड़ करके बाकी चीजें खुल जाएंगी. Social distancing का norm is a mandatory in the sense the government has said it must be followed. Mask must be worn by everybody. Look, now the stage has come where the society has to take over. Society's leaders, thought leaders, societies, everybody has to come together to fight this. Initial phase when the shock was there, we were not prepared, things were not known, administration has come and enforced, at times using the danda also. This cannot continue with the larger scale. Now, we would be now working out a mechanism to requesting all the merchant associations, village bodies, NGOs to come front, come forward. Please enforce these norms among themselves. If you find that some persons, they are defying you or challenging you, then we are there to enforce them. But now is the time come where society should, groups should, associations should take over and take it forward that they maintain the social distancing and do not let the progress estimate. The way country has moved, Tripura is very fortunate not to have. The way country has moved is also very good. Some statistics which were shared by and large was that before lockdown was enforced, our rates were doubling in 3.5 days. In the first week, it went to about 5.1 or something. Last week, it was 9.2 days.
Repeat.
Before the lockdown started, it was 3.5 days, the doubling rate of infection. Because the curve is exponential. If you have seen this, the virus expands exponentially. So there, it's a doubling is very important. The time within which it doubles is very important. So before enforcement, it was 3.5 days. First week, it went to about 5.1. Previous week, it was 9 plus or 10 days. They are expecting that by 3rd when it's over, it will be 15 days. Okay. But even 15 days, it will double. Some data which was shared at all over India level that before the lockdown started, where countries we were at par, because they did not enforce the lockdown, their cases have zoomed up much larger than ours. So we have been able to contain because of responsible behavior of our citizens, measures taken. Now that economic act, but at the cost of almost shutting down the economic activities. But if we have to move forward, we have to have economic activity and contain this. And that requires a restraint from everybody. Enforcement coercion should come only where there is somebody who is recalcitrant, who does not listen to the voice of reasoning by his peers and company. That's the request that should come. The appeal should come.